10 signs that you are mentally stronger than others. Hey there, Psychology Facts family. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of mental strength. We'll explore 10 signs that you might be mentally stronger than others. So, let's get started. 1. Embracing change. Mentally strong people are adaptable and embrace change. They understand that life is constantly evolving, and they're ready to face new challenges head-on. Have you ever faced a significant change in your life and come out stronger on the other side? 2. Self-awareness. Mentally strong individuals have a deep understanding of their emotions, strengths, and weaknesses. They use this self-awareness to grow and improve. Can you think of a time when you recognized a weakness and turned it into a strength? 3. Resilience. Life is full of setbacks, but mentally strong people bounce back from adversity. They learn from their mistakes and use these experiences to become even stronger. Share a moment in the comments when you overcame a challenge and grew from it. 4. Emotional intelligence. Mentally strong people can manage their emotions and empathize with others. They're skilled at navigating social situations and building strong relationships. How do you practice empathy and understanding in your daily life? 5. Setting boundaries. Knowing when to say no is a sign of mental strength. Mentally strong individuals set healthy boundaries and prioritize their well-being. How do you maintain balance in your life and protect your mental health? 6. Growth mindset. A growth mindset is the belief that abilities can be developed through dedication and hard work. Mentally strong people embrace this mindset and continuously strive for self-improvement. What's one skill you've worked hard to develop? 7. Gratitude. Practicing gratitude is a powerful way to boost mental strength. Mentally strong people focus on the positives in their lives and appreciate what they have. Share something you're grateful for in the comments below. 8. Taking responsibility. Mentally strong individuals take responsibility for their actions and learn from their mistakes. They don't blame others or make excuses. Can you think of a time when you owned up to a mistake and learned from it? 9. Patience. Patience is a virtue, and mentally strong people understand the value of waiting for the right moment. They don't rush into decisions or act impulsively. How do you practice patience in your daily life? 10. Confidence. Last but not least, mentally strong people have confidence in their abilities. They believe in themselves and their potential to achieve great things. How do you build and maintain self-confidence? So, there you have it, 10 signs that you might be mentally stronger than others. Do any of these traits resonate with you? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Psychology Facts for more insightful content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.